Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing the phone. Make sure battery is above 20% and you have a quick backup of settings. Now open Settings and go straight to Display. On some Redmi A3 units, the navigation controls live under System or Additional Settings. If you don't see navigation options, enable Developer Options by tapping build number 7 times in About Phone. This unlocks hidden toggles. Once done, return to Display to find the navigation type selector so you can change bar behavior immediately. You'll now pick the actual navigation mode. Tap Navigation or Buttons and select Gesture Navigation for full screen swipes, or pick 3-button or 2-button if you prefer visible keys. This is the only supported method on stock Redmi A3. Adjust additional toggles like gesture sensitivity or the \recents layout so gestures behave predictably. After selecting, give the system a moment and close settings. Sometimes a quick restart of the settings app or phone makes the new bar layout stick and prevents transient glitches. Finish by testing the new navigation. Open several apps and try Home, Back, Recents, and any gestures to confirm responsiveness. If icons overlap or behavior is inconsistent, switch to a different navigation mode and then switch back, or clear the system UI cache through Developer Options if available. This often resolves layout issues. Make sure to reboot the phone once more. If problems persist, you can factory reset as a last resort after a full backup, but usually toggling modes or clearing cache fixes the issue.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.